Hello, today I'm going to show you how to log in to San Diego Mesa College library streaming databases. So you can start by going to San Diego Mesa College webpage, and you're going to go here and click library. You'll scroll down to where it says try our streaming video databases. And you have the options there. You can see it for Films on Demand or Swank. So I'm going to show you Swank first. And it'll ask you to enter your ID number and your last name. So if you are a faculty member, you'll enter your employee ID. Or if you're a student, you're going to enter your student ID. And your last name, and then click log on. And you'll be able to browse through based on genre all the films that are available. And then you can also use the search box if you know which title you want to watch, or the advanced search. So you'll do the same thing for the other database. We'll go to Films on Demand, and since I'm already logged in, it'll remember that I'm logged in, and it'll show me all of the videos that are available for me to stream. And you can search up here in the search box. And it's a really great resource for San Diego Mesa College students and faculty to use. Thank you.